welcome back to another episode of Life Above the Clouds, your guide to elevated eating with a new cannabis recipe every week. I bought a jar of marshmallow fluff from the grocery store because it was on sale and I cannot resist a good bargain. But I have been loving fluffernutter sandwiches right now. If you don't know what a fluffernutter sandwich is, it is a sandwich with marshmallow fluff and peanut butter, and they are so good. So I use that as my inspiration for this week's recipe. We are making creamy cannabis peanut butter squares. On the back of the marshmallow fluff jar, there is a recipe for fantasy fudge, and of course it uses chocolate, but I wanted to make something with peanut butter. They kind of remind me of fudge, but they're not exactly fudge, so I'm not gonna call it fudge, but it is like candy. It's like a square. So for this recipe, all you need is a microwave-safe bowl that will fit in your microwave, and we are going to start by adding our cannabis butter, milk, and sugar. Cover it with a paper towel so it doesn't splatter in your microwave and make a big mess, and microwave it for 2 minutes. Once the 2 minutes are done, mix it up and microwave for 2 more minutes. Then very carefully remove your bowl from the microwave because it will be very hot, and add your peanut butter, marshmallow fluff, and vanilla extract. Give that a good stir and then add your powdered sugar. We are going to sift it first because any powdered sugar lumps are going to show up in your finished peanut butter squares. Now mix that up and make sure it's really well combined, and then pour it into an 8x8 dish. I have prepared mine by lining it with parchment paper. Let it chill in the refrigerator until it hardens, about 3 or 4 hours, and then cut it into 16 equal pieces. Here is our finished peanut butter square. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, if you love peanut butter, I promise you, you're gonna love these. These cannabis peanut butter squares are super peanut buttery, super creamy, super sweet, and super delicious. How many times can we say super? Super. They kind of remind me of the peanut butter filling of my peanut butter sandwich cookies, which were also super delicious, and I will put a link for those in the description section below if you want to check that out. I hope you liked this episode of Life Above the Clouds. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. And if you guys ever want to help out by sending over a cup of sugar or a bag of flour, go check out my Patreon page where you can get access to recipe sneak peeks, behind the scenes footage, all kinds of fun stuff. There is a link in the description section below. Thanks again for watching. Bye guys.